So we have derivative formula. First formula we learn is this. So we derivative to x power of n with respect to x gives us n x to the power of n minus 1. And there's one thing you need to see is we have to make sure this x and this x is exactly the same. If they're different, then you can't use that formula. But everyone knows how to use this formula. So like, for example, if we have d dx with x power 3, for example, then we're using the formula, we bring the power down 3, and we times x to the power of 3 minus 1, which gives us 2. And that's exactly fits the formula. As you can see, this x and this x exactly same. So now, what if it's different? For example, I'll give you a question like this. So let's say 2x plus 1 to the power of 3. Then you can see this x and this is different thing now. So how do we solve the problem? So let's just make this whole big thing as a u equals to 2x plus 1. So now I change my question from that into u to the power of 3. But problem is still here because you can see that's still different. So then how do I solve that problem? Because the change doesn't make make the same. So but then one thing I can do is if I change the question into d du and with u cubed, that sounds perfect because they now I make the same. But that's not my questions. They're not equal to each other. So then how do I make them equal to each other? I can balance something on the side. I times du on dx. And then you can see if I cancel this du and du, they exactly same my questions. Now I can actually put equal sign in between these two. They're exactly the same. Then how we go further, you can see I can derivative using my power rule. I bring the 3 down because they're same now. So 3 down and the u to the power of 3 minus 1 is 2. Then I'm going to times du dx. But the good thing is I have the u here. So du dx will be equal to 2. And then I can simply just times here 2. So then give me 6u squared. And I can put the u back in, which gives us 6 and 2x plus 1 to the power of 2. So that sounds like a very complicated u and stuff. So what I do is I can just simply write the question in that way, which is easy to think. So what's the way you think? If we have 2 layers of function. One is the big x here with power 3. Another one is 2x plus 1 inside. So we always think of derivative outside first, which is taking the 3 down and don't touch inside. And with power to left. And then times derivative inside, which is 2x derivative is 2, 1 derivative is 0. So basically just 2 left. And then they give us exact same answer, which is 6 and 2 to the power 2x plus 1 to the power 2 left. So that's the answer. So think of the chain rule is we have 2 layers of questions. First layer is the big one. Second layer is the inside, which is, you can see, that's the second layers. First layer is outside. Let's make that. That's outside. 2 layers. Okay, so then like you have a big house, you open the gate, you see, okay, first gate is the blue. So I open the gate, which is the 3 left here and the 2 left here. And then don't touch inside. This is the inside. So then I go inside the room and you can see, oh, another room here. So 2x plus 1. Then I differentiate the 2x plus 1, give me 2. So then that's finally we got 6 times 2x plus 1 to the power 2. So this is the end. Simple question here. I will show you how the chain rule next time.